Hey everyone, this is a little bit different, what's on my workbench here. I finished up one of the Jaguar to the 5200 conversions. It's got really nice... My 5200 is way over there. And the controller is way over here. So it's got a nice 10-foot cord on it. So all the buttons work. That's the select through the options. So just like the pause is still pause, options, I forget the middle one is, and then you have the start button. Let's see if this works. Oh. Back, front, left, right. Oh, get over here. Oh, got me. This is Ball Blazer. Awesome game. Oh, bastard, get over here. Like I said, the let's see. Get over here. I'm a little unhappy with the beat button on here right now. It's a little sticky, so I'm probably going to open it back up and just reseat it. The center button tends to get a little bit out of its pocket. Yeah, so this one's almost done. I'm going to open it up and reseat that B button and see if it acts a little better, and that's it for now. Okay, so this is a continuation on from the last video. So what I ended up doing was I did open it up and I reseated the buttons on here, and it's nice and responsive now. Both buttons are really nice and takes very little force. So forward, back, left, right, pause works. So those are all working as they should. This controller works for most games. It doesn't work for every game. I know there's been, what is it? Defender, maybe? There's one of them that doesn't work well on. There's a couple of analog games that doesn't work great, but generally speaking, I'd say it works for about 90% of the games. I have been toying with adding some adjustable caps in here to emulate the analog control, but I haven't gotten too many complaints yet. So that's the first controller. It's done. I'm going to go to work on the second one. Okay, this is a continuation of the last of the videos we've been doing here. This is the second controller I made up. I leave the little back covers off until I'm done testing it. Lets me know I haven't tested it yet. I like to test every single one of them. I have a nice 4-port 5200 over there. Let's see. Options work. Back to human. Trigger fire, start, pause still works. Left, right, forward, back, B button, A button. feels pretty good. I actually really do like these Jaguar controllers. I just can't believe how absurd the prices have gotten on the Jaguar used. I just fixed one a few months ago. Yeah. This controller works just fine, so I'll put the little caps on, throw the serial number on it, and this one's good to go. And this is going to get boxed up, and I gotta remember what the heck the EAR number is for the for joysticks and video game controllers. It was actually when you export anything, you have to know there's a 5-digit number, I think, or 6-digit alphanumeric that you have to look up in order to export anything from the United States, because apparently this is dual use. You can use it to control some sort of weapon system. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's it for, well, it's not quite on my workbench today, but it's we did a road trip here to my my family room. And my 5200's way over. Let me lock the focus. Get over there. Yeah, my 5200's way over there. So you can see it's a nice 10-foot, 3-meter cord or so. So very handy. I usually test stuff on my, this is a old plasma, this is a plasma TV, and it works really well with the old games because the blacks are nice and dark, and it's got the 600 hertz refresh rate, so it's, I find it's best for these old games. So everyone, thanks for watching. I gotta finish editing this video together and get this boxed up. Everyone have a great night.